Good afternoon, respected judges, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nancy, the lead author of this presentation. Our research title is Impact of a Non-Communicable Disease Nursing Education Module on Clinical Outcomes in High-Risk Pregnant Women, a systematic review. Background. High-risk pregnancy is often associated with adverse maternal and neonatal outcomes. Integrating a non-communicable disease or NCD nursing education module into clinical practice may enhance the knowledge and skills of nurses to improve these outcomes. Objectives: to identify, evaluate, and synthesize all existing scientific evidence on the effectiveness of a structured nursing education module for non-communicable diseases in improving the clinical outcomes of high-risk pregnant women. Research urgency and novelty. The urgency lies in the need for evidence-based intervention for high-risk pregnancies, and the study novelty is in conducting a systematic review to consolidate global evidence on the impact of a nursing education module on clinical outcomes. Research methods. The PRISMA guidelines was used from our databases or Google Scholar, ResearchGate, Scopus, and PubMed. The inclusion criteria were articles from reputable journals in English or Indonesian published in 2018, 2019 until 2024. The exclusion criteria were non-Indonesian or English articles published more than 5 years ago. The data selection involved title or abstract screening, or N equals 377, full text review, and equals 18.8, and final inclusion of 18 studies. The data analysis used risk of bias, Cochrane-Robb 2.0, Robbins, and Vivo thematic analysis. Results. The study showed that nurse-led intervention demonstrated significant effectiveness with in-person counseling improving clinical outcomes of 44% of studies, P less than 0.05, and digital education enhancing self-efficacy or 33%, P equals 0.003. Though 39% of studies had high bias risks due to non-randomized designs. Thematic analysis revealed consistent benefits across gestational diabetes, or 33%, and hypertensive disorders, or 28%. The bias assessment highlights the need for randomized controlled trials. Study limitations. The study limitations include high bias risk in 39% of studies and lack of long-term follow-up, reducing generalizability. Conclusions. The NCD nursing education module could significantly help improve clinical outcomes in high-risk pregnant women, particularly for gestational diabetes and hypertension. The study recommended multicenter randomized trials for future research to standardize the model and address implementation barriers in diverse healthcare settings. Thank you very much for the attention. We will see you at the question and answer session.